This is a copy of my data set. It has academic and engagement activities for Peak School. We have the student ID, course name, and so many other features that we are going to be seeing on the student dashboard. So I created two dashboards. The first one is the student dashboard. The student dashboard basically has all the students' details, including the student ID, student name, the course ID, course name, enrollment dates, course start dates, basically all the information about the student. It has the total grade points, which is made up of the assignment score and the quiz score, and total engagement points, which is made up of forum posts, forum replies, and forum likes. So to use this dashboard, all you have to do is come to the filter at the top, then clear all the selections. Then you can search for a student name. For instance, if I want to search for Adam Miller, I would type in the student's name, and when I find the student, I would check the student and click on OK. The information on the page will automatically change to fit the information of the students. The course ID, the student ID, the student name, the student's grade point, total engagement points, basically every information about the students. We can see that again. We can do that. We can clear. We can try that again. Let's use Abigail Santiago, and we can see everything changed. The second dashboard is the admin dashboard. Basically, this dashboard has some important summaries of the data sets. It has the course ID and the number of students registered for each course, that's per course ID. Then it has their total engagement points, the average of it, the average of total grade points, and the average of time spent on course material. Then next, we have the course ID, we have the enrollment dates, we have the completion status, that is per course. You would see the number of students that have completed the course and the number of students that are still taking the course. um, then here we have the course count of course completion status. Basically, just if you pick a course, it will just tell you the number of students that are still taking it and the number of students that have completed the course. Next, we have the average total engagement points. We have the engagement points of the students, which is made up of these three metrics. Next, we have a pivot table that shows us course ID. So we can filter by course ID. We'll see the number of students that are registered for that particular course ID, and we see their student ID as well. So the second part of this is the date metrics. Basically shows up different date analysis where we have the enrollment date, counter of course name, that's the number of courses that were registered for on that particular enrollment day. Here we have the enrollment dates, and then we have number of students per enrollment dates and their student ID. Then here we have the average performance per enrollment dates. For this particular dashboard, we can also filter by course ID. For instance, if we want to see only the information of one particular course ID, all we have to do is clear all selections, pick the course ID, let's say course ID 4 for instance, and then we click on OK. We can see automatically the only data we have on the page is data for course ID 4. We can see the amount of completed and uncompleted and the days that people register for the course. We can see the completion status. We can see the students that are registered for that particular course. Yes, thank you very much.